Hi, I'm Madhubani Ghosh. I'm 25 years old and I had been suffering from lower back pains for a few months. The pain was such that when I would sit on soft surfaces such as a sofa or, say, a soft mattress bed, when I would try to stand up, it would be very difficult for me to stand up straight. There would be a lot of pain and stiffness in my lower back. So one night I was bending down to pick something really lightweight, and I felt this really painful tear. It felt like a tear, and it was so painful that I got dizzy, and it took me quite a few minutes to actually be able to stand up straight after that. So I tried to sleep. With a hot water bag under my under my lower back. Tried ice compression, nothing helped, so I had to go to the hospital where they gave me painkillers. But even with the painkillers, the pain only reduced by like 30 or 40%. They had given me painkillers and muscle relaxants, so it helped with the pain that was radiating from my lower back to my legs, along my legs, and was reaching my knees and sometimes even lower. I could not sit, stand from a sitting position or from a sleeping, or even getting up from a sleeping position was extremely, extremely painful. The only way I was comfortable was when I was on my feet. Bending, turning more than 20-30 degrees was impossible. There was too much pain. And at that point, I went to Dr. Bhushan Kedkar, who diagnosed that I had annular tears, and there was nerve root compression as well. And he suggested that he would perform laser assisted annuloplasty and nucleoplasty to help fix the tears and give my body time to heal at its own pace. Also, there happened to be some amount of disc degeneration as well, and that is what he also planned, what he said he would fix through the procedure that he suggested. The procedure was not very long. It went quite smoothly. It took about 30 minutes, give or take a few more minutes, and it was done under local anesthetic, and it was quite painless, other than the part where they had to see if any other nerves in the surrounding area were affected or not. And it was done on the local so that I would be able to tell them if I was feeling any kind of unusual sensations. Other than that, the surgery went quite well. Before the surgery, if my pain on a scale of 1 to 10 was about a 10 because it was quite painful, it reduced to 2 immediately post surgery, and I was actually able to sit and sleep with much more peacefully, with hardly that much pain. They kept me overnight for observation and discharged me the very next day. For the next 2 days, I was advised to stay in bed rest with hardly any movement. And after that, I was told that for 3 months, I would have to be very careful about avoiding like sitting for too long, more than 20 to 25 minutes at a stretch. And if I had to stay in a sitting position, I should take stand up and walk around after every 20 to 25 minutes, stretch. But otherwise, I was advised to stay lying down whenever I possibly could, and I did that, and that helped my recovery a lot. I post 1 or 2 months after surgery, it got quite better. I have hardly been in pain since then, and I have been taking it slow and uh, testing how far I can go bit by bit. And since I was advised to avoid any kind of high contact activities such as trekking or exercising or going to the gym or anything like that, and I was also advised to take as much bed rest as I possibly could, because it would help with the healing and to avoid bending or lifting heavy objects and things like that. It's been 3 months. I'm hardly in any pain, and I believe I'm recovering quite well. I've been able to resume almost all my daily activities. I'm doing them with ease. Not, and the surgery is really, really effective, because 2 days after my surgery, after the surgery was done, after my bed rest was over, I actually had to I had to travel all by myself to the UK, and I did so perfectly well and perfectly fine with nobody to accompany me. I did the trip on my own, and I hardly had any trouble commuting or anything else. I just followed the regime that the doctor suggested, and yes, I recovered quite well. So it worked. Thank you.